Tired of surfing aimlessly? Looking for something more from your TV experience? Welcome to a world of endless entertainment right at your fingertips, thanks to DSTV Pro Installation. With our range of services, we turn your TV dreams into reality. From home theater installations, plasma TV setups, to HDTV and LCD mounting, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to cable chaos, and hello to streamlined control with our surround sound setup and recabling services. No more channel hopping. Instead, explore a galaxy of channels with our single view, dual view, multi-view, and HD PVR decoders. Dive into an explosion of high-definition entertainment with our DSTV Explora HD decoders. Lost your signal again? Don't worry, our DSTV specialists are on standby for all your troubleshooting needs. Need extra TV points or an LNB protector fitting? We've got you sorted. That's the DSTV Pro Installation difference, entertainment, reimagined and unparalleled. Contact us today for a free quote.